Hey guys, I would like to show you how to replace an engine air filter and a cabin air filter on a 2019 Toyota RAV4. So this is engine air filter box, and you have to unhook this wiring on top, like not disconnected but unclip. So here's a clip that clip into the side of this air filter housing box. You need a plier or a screwdriver to just squeeze this clip in to unplug from the box, and also this tab right here to unplug that and on right. So yeah, don't disconnect it from the mass airflow sensor, just make the wiring like that so it loose. So unclip only two, and there's a slide in clip in the back, so slide out, lift it up and pull forward. Now you can lift this one up a little bit high like this, and you can check and pull it out, the air filter. So I got the new air filter already in, so here you can pull it out that way, this way. Yeah, that's how you pull it out and put the new one in. So now to put it in, you have to lift it up the front and slide this clip in the back in. So this wire try to be in the way, just put the wiring put on top of the box and easy to slide in the back one. Yeah, so when it's in like that, push it down and clip this, and also the one on this end. And let's clip this one back, and also this one. Now it's done, it's good. Or you can even more easier, you have a 10mm socket to undo this one, and you pull this pipe out of the way, and it will be a lot easier, because kind of like when you pull this one up that way, it stretches out a little bit, too much tension on the air intake pipe here. So cabin air filter housing is behind this glove box. So glove box is already down. You see the clip one right here and one on this corner, it hooked in. So we have to push it in one at a time, or two hand. You push this one in because it's kind of like flexible a little bit, or you have a flat, a little bit long screwdriver, you can pry this one in to pull it down, this one and on that end. And also this one, you pull this one in and you can remove the glove box. So bring it down a little bit and the glove box will come out just like that. And that is the air filter housing cover. You squeeze this end and you pull it forward and pull it out. And also this end you can squeeze it as well, but you squeeze one end and you pull it out. Right now the filter is already out, so I put the new one in. So I'm going to put the new one in, and you can see the arrow there for that direction of airflow, and we put the arrow downward, push it in, and it stay right like that at the top, because see the cover have two tab pointing out. That tab will go into the bottom with this space over here. And it's very easy, just clip it in. Yeah, now it's in place, just like that. And put the glove box back, bring it down a little bit, and you see the hook right on both sides like that, and hook it in, and I can put this dampener is like shock, and now you push it in hard, you clip in like that. Yeah, that's it, just like that. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this one helped. I see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.